Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain HOMEBASE app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started, HOMEBASE is an all-in-one team management tools designed for small businesses with hourly workers like restaurant, cafes, salon, and retail stores. It lets you create schedules with simple drag and drop builders, track hours with a phone or iPad, send messages directly to employees, and even handle tasks like sweeping shifts and posting jobs openings. OneBase aims to streamline all those messy manual tasks that comes with managing a team, freeing you up to focus on growing your businesses instead of resting with spreadsheet and paperwork. The best part is that it's fairly affordable with a free plan available for single location businesses and reasonable pricing at advanced features if you need more. The platform is especially helpful if you have a team of 5 or more workers, frequently deals with swapping, substitution, or wages and hour compliances. That said, if you run a tiny teams with a stable schedule, Homebase might be more than what you need. So for both business that wants a central hub to handle their workforce smoothly, it's powerful, cost-effective solution for you to use, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, and that's it. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.